Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla uba Prestone tensong. Habayekren halor ka jingmi ka kanhon bandawa na ka Sorkar ban pentrebiang yau Dewïong kumba ka julong menshwa. Uloong bakani kamla banlong bangin tho shiti ban penkala ya kaan. Uloong bangidei ban sotho bakini kidei ki an jaga Sorkar preng. Tikali balai ya ka Mines and Minerals Planika Development and Regulation Act Shiajar Khandai Spa Sanpunyo Lapantrei Kam Hamegalia Namar kahap hapo ka krnet ka bahanriyo kani kade ka khubor ka balasha Ïalam Bakla Uloong ba lada kade ka state law kila banle AA Hindrei kade ka central law ha ka ba kinhap banyo ya ka jingkali Uloong ba ngimdei ban keno ba ki pulit kimshim yala ka jingkit kli ha ka bai de ka scientific mining uba Prestone tensong uloong ba yaki license lade ban ai ulapan shai da ka baong bahaba ki ya ka license kade ka kamram Jong ki ban yo man sedang kini kide ki karkhana shimet ne ki riu shimet ki badei ban pentrei phimla ban keno ka Sorkar Pila man keno lada ka Sorkar kadei ka bapentrei banti yau Dewïong Hindrei ngimdei ula benrap ru da ka baong baha ka arpuwei terik kinle ya ka detailed presentation na ka kanhun kiriu shampang ha ka ba kin pule benya la ka la ne em ban penkala ya ka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act Shiajar Khandai Spa Sanpunyo
As I said to you, this is not only that you can just write a paper and then you can change the law. They need to understand the reality. This is the central law. Some people, they mislead about the central law. They say, why should MMDR Act be implemented in Bakla because we are the 6th schedule area. It's totally, it is totally misinformed. So what I'm saying here is, the citizens of it need to understand about the law. If it is the state law, yes, we are ready to revisit it immediately. But if it is again central laws, there are processes where you need to approach. You have to go step by step. Then ultimately you go to the government of India, approach. If need be, maybe they can go for the amendment. So you should not just say that state government does not do or we are not responsive. But let me tell you one thing, we are very much positively responsive to any issues that we face in the state of.
But the government misleads the public that this MDA government was the first government to bring scientific mining because now we're getting to know that scientific mining hasn't even started.
No, license has been granted. Because see, again, when we issue the license, it is not the government who implement it. No, this is the private party, the private sector who is supposed to undertake these activities. It is not the government. You can't blame the government if we are the one who has to do the mining. But I'm telling you, we can't, we are not. It is only for the private parties or the private individuals who has to do the mining activities throughout the state.
So clearly the people are suffering.
Don't ask me so much question. Let me just tell you one thing. In shortcut. On the 22nd, we will do the detailed presentation from the technical team where we will study, is it possible that we ban the MMDR Act or not? Unless the presentation is made, we can't. And because see, the presentation also is being prepared by the expert. And the expert, what they did was, they did their homework diligently. And on Monday, we will have a detailed presentation made by them. We invited also the stakeholders that you should also be present and see the reality, how it can be done. Okay, thank you.